Hey guys, welcome back. Bob from Bobots Trains. Well, if you've been following me, you know I got a 3D printer, and where it gets cool is when you can start merging the hobbies. So I thought it was about time to make a DCS remote holder with a battery companion on my 3D printer, and I did that, and I'll show you how I went about it. So the first thing I did was I came into Fusion 360 and I have a photo of the DCS remote, just a 2D flat photo that I scanned. And I laid that in as a canvas, and then I went about creating the remote in 3 dimensions over top of it. Now I drew some sketches that were flat and extruded them up, and I put the buttons in and put the back on here. Now if I turn off the canvas back here, you can see, and this isn't exactly right back here, but I did the best I could so that I had the right profile. But I did all this for 2 reasons: to practice using this tool to draw things, and also so that then when I went over to create the holder, okay, in this file I have my remote, okay, and then when I created my holder for it, I could see whether or not it fit. I could see my tolerances and check that I had enough room for everything to work. And here you can see details. I have a flat back. I made it thicker so the screws would go through. I have some tapering here for the screw heads. I'm just going to use drywall screws. And I usually cut holes in the side like this in the front, just so it uses less plastic. Okay, so that's how I did that. And that was the initial design. And then I thought I should have a battery holder. So I came over here, and again, I got the batteries first. Let me see if I can, yeah. I had the batteries first, and then I just designed this holder. Well, actually it goes like this, right side up. And I cut some holes in it, and I countersunk this in a little further back here so that when the screw goes in it, it'll be deeper than the plastic back, and then the backs of the batteries won't hit anything metal. And you can do cool stuff like, let me see, I have a section analysis set up, so I can look through the side of this thing to see, you know, how it's going to line up here. Yep, so that's pretty cool. Okay, so I have it mounted here. I did do it correctly this time so that I can get through these holes and turn the screws in. And this one here, I countersunk in so that the backs of the batteries don't hit it. And you can just grab it, take it out. When you're done, throw it back in. Now I have no idea why, but another thing I did was I sized these appropriately so you could put batteries in like this, or I guess you could put them through this way if you wanted. But I'm not really sure why. So there you go. Nice little project merging the hobbies of 3D printing and model railroading. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it's been informative. And thanks for watching.